In this demonstration, we'll be looking at One4All's learning procedure. And to demonstrate this, I'll be using a URC 7140. There are several situations where learning proves to be an invaluable feature. You may have successfully assigned the correct codes for each of the 4 devices using the suggested code list found in the back of the One4All's instruction booklet. However, there might be 1 or 2 very specific functions that you'd like to use, such as the Blu-ray DVD input button found on this Integra amp remote. Before learning, have a look at the One4All remote and think about which buttons you'd like to assign a function or functions to. Any of the buttons can be used except for the mode or magic button. To begin with, we'll hold down the magic button until we get that double flash, 1, 2. Then we'll press the mode button to select the desired device, which is amp. Type in 975, 975. Then it's a matter of selecting a button on the One4All remote that you'd like to have a function learnt to, which in this case is the green button. Once pressed, the One4All's light starts to rapidly flash. We'll hold the 2 remotes head to head, press the desired button on the original remote, and the rapid flash turns to a double flash. To lock our work in place, hold down the magic button for a few seconds, and the double flash confirms that the learning has been successful. Okay, so we've successfully learnt the Blu-ray DVD input function from the Integra amp remote, and we've assigned it onto the green button of the One4All remote. So if I point the remote at the amp, press the green button, there we go. It switches over to the desired input. And that's just one example of how the learning feature can assist in the setup process. It's also important to note that functions can be learnt before a code has been assigned. If your original remote happens to have a lot of small or complex buttons, you may wish to just learn the 6 or 7 main functions. This is ideal for friends or family members who may have a tendency to accidentally press buttons that bring up complex features that they might find confusing. So, that's One4All's learning feature. For any additional information on any of One4All's products, log on to www.oneforall.com. Thanks for watching.